I'm good. What about you?
I'm good, Piyush. So, how are you doing?
I'm doing very fine. This is Saturday, so it's off.
Okay. So, where are you working and how is your job going?
Uh, I worked for 6 months as engineering
Mhm. Can
now.
you speak a little louder?
One second. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now better.
I worked for 6 months in Sagacious IP.
Mm-hmm.
Now, after 6 months, I'm with Denmaya IP. It's a European-based firm, and I'm working as there.
Your voice is breaking. I can't hear you.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Oh, yeah, yeah, much better. Yeah. So you
Okay,
work.
it was connected with the hand free, so I think it must be having some issues.
Yeah, yeah. So you work there. You worked in Sagacious IP, right?
I worked with Sagacious IP, and for
Mhm.
now I'm working with Denmeyer IP.
Okay, okay. So what was the experience with Sagacious IP?
Sag- uh, the experience with Sagacious IP was really good.
Mm-hmm.
I got to know about many things like patent searching,
Mm-hmm.
which I was hired for,
Mm-hmm.
and prior art searching, FTO,
Mm-hmm.
patentability search,
Mm-hmm.
and other thing which I was really happy about knowing that FER response, what is office action response, and how to draft it. I got to know about claims drafting, specification drafting. I wasn't got to know about. I didn't got to know about detailed description drafting,
Mm-hmm.
but that's good because it was just a 6 months internship, and I think I in that meantime I got to know many things,
Mm-hmm.
so it just doesn't matter.
And now you're working with.
I'm working with now Sege Denmeyer IP.
Mm-hmm. So what is your role in Denmark IP?
It's a European.
Mhm.
Sorry.
So what is
uh,
your role in Denmark IP?
I'm working as IP specialist there.
Mhm. So coming from a mechanical engineering background, yes, am I correct, right? You're from mechanical engineering background.
Yeah.
So
I've recently graduated as mechanical engineer.
okay, so coming
Yes.
from a mechanical engineering background, how do you think like because many people are not aware that patent industry is a right fit as for mechanical engineers. So how you are getting the work satisfaction by working into this domain?
Let me tell you my story.
Yes.
I worked as I worked as business development executive in some edtech company. I
Mm-hmm.
worked in sales.
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't got the opportunity for working in any mechanical engineering firm. So working in sales industry was my only job. So I think any mechanical engineer or any other engineer like computer science engineer and chemical engineer, they are not having the knowledge if they are not having the knowledge that IPR exists. And
Mm-hmm.
same is the case with me, but then I got to know about IIPT, and Divya ma'am told me everything about what is IPR and how does it work, and
Mm-hmm.
I researched it myself.
Mm-hmm.
So I got to know there are many opportunities for engineers, and for core profiles there are many opportunities. Like you cannot, being a mechanical engineer, if I'm working in some manufacturing firm, so working in some factory or manufacturing firm can be very tiring, and now working with some IPR firm
Mm-hmm.
can be uh, really better than that. So I think
Mm-hmm.
that's great for me.
Okay. So tell me about your journey, like from which university you did your mechanical engineering?
I'm sorry.
From which university or college you did your mechanical engineering?
Yeah, I graduated from Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, it's affiliated from APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University in Uttar Pradesh.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a tier 3 firm, but now I'm working with a European firm.
Mm-hmm.
It's a tier 3 college, but now I'm working with a European firm. So
That is
you
achievement.
yes, that's very satisfying. And
Uh-huh.
I think bet I think I'm better than many of my uh, classmates.
Definitely. So how do you think? Yes, I definitely agree that being into patents is still more. You're working with the technology. You're working for a European firm where a lot of innovation is happening. So
Yes.
this is, I think, this is what it makes it interesting. Every day you read new inventions, isn't it?
Yes, exactly. And basically, what when in this current company,
Mm-hmm.
I have worked for. I have recently joined with Denmark IP, and it's been only 15 days,
Mm-hmm.
and I have worked on 3 projects, 3 prior art searchings, and
Mm-hmm.
with 3 prior art searchings, I got to know about 3 technologies.
Mm-hmm.
And with these 3 technologies, I got to know many inventions, because basically in prior art searching, we have to search various patterns.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have to look for 1000 patterns, and from that we have to refine 6 or 7 similar searches. So
Right.
in this IPR industry, we can stay really close to the technology. That's what I want to say.
So, what is a message you want to give to other mechanical engineers, and rather than going for any sales or marketing, maybe this is much better field? Any message or any views which you want to give to other mechanical engineers who are graduating now?
For all those mechanical engineers out there, see, if you are interested in marketing or sales and marketing firm, then I don't think I'm good for telling you that come at this industry. But
Mm,
if if you are going to the marketing or sales industry for just a job, so I
mm,
think you should look for another opportunity, and IPR industry can be a very fit industry for you,
mm,
and you can stay very close to the technology. You
mm,
always say that we have worked with mechanical engineering, or we have worked with chemical or computer science, but we do not get to know about technologies that we have studied so far.
mm,
So I think this is a perfect opportunity for you.
mm. Great, great, great. Awesome. So your family and you must be very proud of yourself about your achievement that you're now working for a European firm, isn't it?
See, family, they are very proud of me,
Mhm.
and I think this is great for me.
This is great, 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 awesome. What about your peers? What about your friends? Uh, what they have to say about you?
I actually many of my friends are working not with mechanical engineering but with other industries, because
Okay.
due to COVID-19, they they weren't able to get any chance to for working in any uh, core jobs. So
Mhm.
this COVID-19 has brought many sins for them, because industries various industries have died
Mhm.
in this 1 year.
Mhm.
But I I
But
have
you are at the
actually
good
referred.
place.
Sorry.
But by God grace, you are at a very good place.
Yeah. By God grace, I'm at a good place, and I have also referred 2 of my friends at my company, so they are also happy with me.
Great, 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 awesome. So it was nice talking to you, Piyush. So, what are your career goals for 2021? What are you thinking? What is the next step for you?
My next step would be, actually, I'm already working as patent analyst at patent analyst profile. Just the name is IP specialist, but I'm working as patent analyst profile. My next goal for the next 2 or 3 years would be, I would be a patent agent in future, and after that I will work as freelancer, or I'll
Start your
start
own
my own
business.
firm.
Yes,
So
definitely. That is the right path. That is the right path to be successful. And with this, I want to give you a very special gift for today. That because your career goal is patent agent examination 2021. So I'll be very happy to be your mentor for Patent Agent Examination 2021. We have a specialized program for that. We have specialized live classes, study material, everything, which you will be getting as a free gift from my side to you. And I'll be your mentor, for which we are classes starting from March. We have weekend live classes as well as recorded classes, study material, everything, every support will be given to you, because I can see that you're a hardworking student and I want you to qualify Patent Agent Examination 2021 with us.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So so we still have a long journey to go, Piyush, you and me, and we'll be talking with other students also who have become successful, will be joining us in our classes, and I want every one of you to prepare and crack 2021 Patent Agent Examination.
Okay, definitely I will with some guidance.
All right, Piyush, thank you so much. It was so lovely talking to you. Thank you so much for joining in today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.